Romans 8 verse 14, for those who are led by the Spirit of God are the children of God. Galatians 5 verse 16, so I say, walk by the Spirit, and you will not gratify the desires of the flesh. Ephesians 5 verse 18, do not get drunk on wine, which leads to debauchery. Instead, be filled with the Spirit. John 14 verse 26, but the Advocate, the Holy Spirit, whom the Father will send in my name, will teach you all things and will remind you of everything I have said to you. Romans 8 verse 26, in the same way, the Spirit helps us in our weakness. We do not know what we ought to pray for, but the Spirit Himself intercedes for us through wordless groans. Isaiah 11 verse 2, the Spirit of the Lord will rest on him, the Spirit of wisdom and of understanding, the Spirit of counsel and of might, the Spirit of the knowledge and fear of the Lord. 1 Corinthians 2 verse 12, what we have received is not the spirit of the world, but the Spirit who is from God, so that we may understand what God has freely given us. Acts 1 verse 8, but you will receive power when the Holy Spirit comes on you, and you will be my witnesses in Jerusalem, and in all Judea and Samaria, and to the ends of the earth. Galatians 5 verse 25, since we live by the Spirit, let us keep in step with the Spirit. John 16 verse 13, but when He, the Spirit of truth, comes, He will guide you into all the truth. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.